Hello and good morning. It's a Monday morning and we are back with beautiful colors, fabrics and looks for you to go for. This month has been been a very busy month for us and in between break, but we are now getting back to our lives, back with our collections and looks and so many beautiful things for you to kind of catch up. So yes, it's a Monday morning and February is almost here. The first month of the year has really zipped up fast. Okay, so that was really fast and really exciting stuff that's coming up. Today is live, some prints, lots of cotton, some georgette combinations. So basically it's an entire package, and for everyone in Bangalore and around Bangalore, yes, we are going to be there on the 7th and the 8th at the Taj West End Racecourse Road. So we're going to be there. It's going to be a great show and really brilliant pieces for you to kind of touch and shop. So come along, bring your friends, family, and we're really excited to meet you guys. Okay, so that's the first event I think where we are stepping out of our studio in this year. So yes, that's extra special for us as always. Okay, आज जो हम दिखाने वाले हैं, you're going to be seeing a lot of different fabrics. There's no katan today. We've just done a live. Where was that, Friday, when we did a live? So we did a live on Friday where we showed you some katan silk, some lovely dupattas. You know, it's a new launch, and in case you've not seen it, we're going to be putting up a story about it. So make sure that you see it later today, so that you can get that look. It's an incredible complete set silk look. But today we're going to be doing prints, we're going to be doing cottons of different kinds, some georgette. So that's the theme for today. Let's get started. Now first things first, what I'm wearing is this beautiful handmade dupatta that we have, and you can see all the detailings right here. जो मैंने silhouette पहना है, typically it will take about 8 meters to be executed. So if I'm going to be doing this fabric, and guys, if you have not experienced this fabric, you must. 980 per meter. I have a range of colors which I will show you eventually. It's an incredible piece to be wearing. It's ultra soft. Colors come very soft and beautiful, and you know, you can just wear it, style it in so many different ways. मेरे में ये पूरी self piping की पूरी detailing है at the side as well, which is actually what takes the fabric. So if you're gonna go for 8 meters fabric भी, तब भी 7840 आता है. आप ये जो look है, ये किसी भी color में customize कर सकते हैं, because when you're wearing something like this and then you wear this, it looks so nice. अब सिर्फ बात रह गई, आप इसको accessorize करें, accentuate करें, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Now the dupatta के साथ 8 meters plus the fabric, okay, plus the dupatta will be 23,640. You have the most incredible look. Lot of colors coming up in this fabric, some in this dupattas, other dupatta options as well. So yeah, we're going to be showing you all of that. Now I'm just going to give you one last glimpse of this dupatta. You can see it right here with all its detailing, the Sona Rupa, and really pretty, you know. So yeah, there you go. Okay, what I really want to show you is one brand new you know, cotton, pure cotton set that we have, and it's this extremely pretty shade of blue. You know, some of you may call it a little towards purple, but for me it's blue. And earlier this last year, you know, later the second half of the last year, you may have seen one piece releasing in this in pink. This is the second piece that has come in that collection. So what is this? This is our hand woven purest cotton fabric. Okay, it's the Ektara fabric that you're seeing here. Acha, something very important, one sec, let me remove this thread. Okay, what you're seeing here, and if you can believe it, is actually the kurta. It is this pretty. So you see, it is this very beautiful border that we have given you all along for your kurta, that is to be cut and used for your, you know, ghera, and it's running all along your kurta fabric. So on one side you have this whole border, okay, this beautiful buta with meena. अब आता है दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा तो I've not shown you yet. Now that's the dupatta, and it is the softest fabric that you're going to be wearing, and you know, you have to just experience it. Many of you have our premium fabrics, but this one is just incredible. Okay, so look at that. This very lovely pure cotton. Remember, pure cotton is very precious, very difficult to make. So ये हुई बात, ये border, ये fabric, ultra soft, ultra comfortable and very very rich, extreme classiness. अब इसके साथ the last thing that I have to show you that we have worked on, okay, we have done such collections earlier, पर उनमें हमने bottom नहीं बनाए थे. We got a lot of feedback from you guys that इतने premium suits हैं तो इनमें bottom होने चाहिए, and we have made sure that we are giving you bottom woven on the same loom. So you will see this beautiful border, just enough for the bottom, patla sa ek, very delicate look for you. So you have the kurta, you have, and this kurta I think, if I'm not wrong, is 3 meters. You can also check with the team. And is it 3 meters? Yeah, it is 3 meters. So you have full 3 meter of your this kurta fabric, which means that you can do A line, use this beautiful border, the bottom, all of it together, one really lovely, really premium, and it's just wonderful. See, premium naam se nahi hota, premium just, it's also how you feel about it. Okay, that's very important. Kind of crude to say that, it's not related to the price, but I want to say that because sometimes, when you just feel and touch it, you know exactly what it is. And remember that cotton is something like that when it's a pure cotton. This is a Chanderi cotton, okay. Extremely beautiful as well, but if you compare this with this, दो एकदम अलग चीजें हैं. हाँ, दोनों में एक वर्ड है कॉमन कॉटन, बट इसकी वीविंग इज वन थिंग एंड एक कड़वा वीविंग एंड वो प्योर कॉटन जो एक तारा होता है, तो वो एकदम अलग चीज है. दैट्स वोवन ऑन हैंडलूम एज वेल. सो या, दैट्स दैट. नाउ one collection that's done so beautifully well, and this is the last color that's coming in this gorgeous dupatta that we've made. And yes, we've made a lot of colors in fact earlier. All of them are of course sold out. This is the last color that we are introducing just today, and look at the beautiful color. अब आप बोलेंगे इस season के लिए हम लेके आए, of course इस season के लिए लेके आए. A peach cannot get more perfect than this color. It's just incredible, okay, and it's just like beauty. मतलब beauty, जो visible beauty है वो तो personified है ही, but the art behind making this piece, it's just incredible. Like 23 colors, this karwa weave, it's just all things amazing. अच्छा, अब इसके साथ आप क्या पहनेंगे? You can do a Chanderi suit. I want to just show you sample. It's not the exact match, but I want to show you the look. And because why I'm showing you the look, we dyed with this. For many of you plain silks, and some of you have chosen plain Chanderi cotton. They've looked so incredible. मेरे ख्याल से that is all that you will need to really wear and enjoy this very brilliant. You'll see ये थोड़ा dustier है, ये एकदम fresh है. हम of course इससे dye करेंगे, but you get the look. So this is from our incredibly beautiful and intricate organza dupatta, and look at that. Look at the detailing of each boota. सब में नक्शी का work है, हर बूटे पे, हर बूटा कड़वा में बना हुआ है. That's the back of the piece, and yes, it's just something else altogether. Pure organza silk, and we're going to be showing you lots of beautiful looks today. The next one being a Georgette one. So take a screenshot and come on WhatsApp. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be shopping where? You're going to be shopping on WhatsApp. Now next up is a tussar dupatta again. So you'll see how we have suddenly changed the entire mood and fabrics and looks. Okay, summers are still a bit far, spring even, but we're already prepping, because जब of course कुछ चीजें हैं जो आज आप लेंगे और तुरंत पहनेंगे, like the one I was wearing, and I will be getting into lots of colors for that. But there are many things which you're planning to wear next week and in 2 weeks time. तो उस चीज के लिए we are already at that point of time where you need to be kind of doing prepping for that, so that you have the looks ready when the season is there to wear it. Now look at that. That's a tussar dupatta. And it's got Meena, and it's got all of these fabulous designs right there. अब इसके साथ मैं looks तो बहुत कर सकती हूँ, because I can do just about any color. I can even do a neutral moonga, but I'm going to kind of change it a bit. Okay, for any prices that you want, just come on WhatsApp and just ask us, and we'll provide you all the details. That's usually how we function. So yes. Now, that is the best way to buy from us on WhatsApp. So you're going to be going on WhatsApp with a screenshot and asking all details and just kind of shop. Okay, so there you go. This is a combination that I also kind of liked. It kind of spells freshness, really light looks for the day. This is dyeable, of course, this dupatta. Look at it with the blue. I think it looks nice. All you will need is a plain silk bottom to kind of complete it. Okay. Now I'm thinking, मैं next क्या करूँ? I have, yeah, there's lots of lovely colors in it which I'm going to be doing. और उसके साथ में एक चीज आपको जरूर दिखाऊंगी, which is also going to be the ombre. Okay, now let's, ombre dupattas are like doing so well, thanks to you guys. Yes, we put in a lot of effort to kind of design them, make them, but yeah, you're making it a real success, and a big thanks for that. Now these are the colors to the fabrics that I'm wearing. हम एक रेगुलर चंदेरी करते हैं विच इज सेम प्राइस एज दिस 980. वो थोड़ा गफ है कपड़ा, गफ में मतलब नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट है. दैट इज व्हाट वी यूज फॉर ऑल आवर बॉटम्स. इट्स आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर लॉट्स ऑफ सूट्स. ओके, सो दैट्स वन. This fabric, now you will see that I'm wearing this particular fabric both top and bottom. You know, of course I've used lining here, a 480 per meter lining. We've used that. Okay, and you must use that. But you will see the whole look of it is, because sometimes in a very few rare cases I've seen that some of you have felt that it's too thin, you know, I mean, oh my god, it's too thin. So that's the whole joy of it. That's the whole look of it. Look at this beautiful fabric, 980 per meter, 2450 for 2.5 meter, and you know, I think 5,000 something for like of course 5 meters, and then 8 meters was I think 7,450 something like that, right? Now you can see coming along, and these are the beautiful handwork ombre dupattas. मैं इनको इसलिए दिखा रही हूँ because इनके साथ, so the prices of these are like, this one is 17,800. Okay, so my thing is why I'm showing you, because when you're wearing this beautiful dupatta, हाँ सिल्क बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Plain chinia, you can do 5 meters of plain chinia, which is going to be amazing, 10,000 something. Or you could be doing a chanderi suit with it, and it's going to look incredible. So yeah, and I'm going to not only show you one particular kind of ombre or look, I'm going to be showing you multiple colors today that are available in the various collections that we have done. जो रह गए हैं हम सब दिखा रहे हैं. Okay, why is it important to get it right away? Because ombres are not repeated. Now look at that. This is again same colors I'm working on with beautiful dupattas that you can go for. Now this dupatta is just class apart. Okay, now this is 9,800 for the dupatta. This fabric to kind of go and match it with, you know, halke fulke, what you call, you know, बहुत सुंदर looks हैं. So that's the whole point of it. We're also showing you some, you know, like we started today, the first piece that I showed you after the one that I won was a hand-woven Ektara cotton. We are also doing just dupattas in it. Like this dupatta, 32,800, I do have a color. So, you know, you can go for that. So, of course, you say, suit 52,000, yeah, it makes more sense to go for the suit. So, you can go for that suit. But if you're going for this particular look, it's just beautiful. Look at that. I love, love, love this combination. So classy. Okay, this is actually our color from Savaria. If you have not seen the styling, ask us and we'll show it to you. Now this color, this rust color, doing so incredibly well and beautiful and nice. We always show it with pink, so I said that, yeah, you know, this is a nice combination to go. The team was making it. I think it looks damn cool. This one, this is the last color of a piece and of a collection. चीज़ें बहुत सारी हैं, and I'm going to show you आराम से so that you can really get the piece. I know a lot of you think the too few lives coming, you know, we're missing the lives, and I agree that there are little fewer than before. But you know, when we're giving you a live like today, you will have everything that you've been wanting for. And again, if you have not seen our last live, which was on that silk new launch of a dupatta, we will put it in the story today. You must catch it. Some beautiful, lovely looks right there in silk. Now, oh, that's a really pretty dupatta, Ektara cotton. Now, we can of course do a same on same, but agar kuch alag karna hai, so some kind of contrast looks wonderful, wonderful, you know. Now, one dupatta that I have been meaning to show you, and this was in fact the original look for this dress of mine, you know, this entire thing was this dupatta. Now, this dupatta is 10,800. We've done these tassels, so that's 2,450 extra on them. but yeah, you can get it without the tassels. This is a no tassel look per se, but in case you want it, then yeah. Now agar ye jo aap dupatta dekh rahe, right, we have it back now in the dye bills. Okay, so it's there. So if you're going to go for a 5 meter plus this dupatta, let's do the maths. 980 into 5 मीटर. अगर मैंने सिंपल लुक लिया, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग अ कलीदार कुर्ता, तो वो आता है विद दिस दुपट्टा 15,700. ओके, और आप देखेंगे कि मैंने बहुत सारे कलर, इसमें ऑफ कोर्स टैसल्स है तो 2450 एक्स्ट्रा होगा, बट दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. अदरवाइज 15,700 फॉर एनी कलर. नाउ दिस लुक, दिस फैब्रिक, दिस दुपट्टा कैन बी कस्टमाइज इन एनी कलर दैट यू वांट. इनफैक्ट मैं आपको इतने सारे फैब्रिक्स के जो कलर दिखा रही हूँ उनमें सभी में ये दुपट्टे हो सकते हैं. सो दैट्स द थिंग. नाउ दैट्स द फैब्रिक दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. यू कैन सी द लुक टुगेदर. It's always done really, really well. Yeah, we of course keep always a lot of it ready. Yeah. Now the next one I'm going to show you is also, so yes, I do have like many outfits which I wear of this particular fabric, including, you may have seen it earlier, this beautiful soft pink look also. Okay. Now this one is a very intricate, detailed pearl handwork that's been done on the dupatta. So why are we doing these kind of looks as well? Because this is a fabric that takes you along for many looks. Okay, now in between we're going to go back into prints and we'll do little prints, but look at that. But it's very pretty. It's got this beautiful flow. It's dressy. It's just perfection in every way. Like when you're wearing it for a party or a function, or you know, the pre-weddings, these are great looks to have. Okay, just my recommendation always for this fabric is, instead of a straight look, go for a flary look. Okay, kalidar look. We have a lot of references in our style guide. Now how are you going to get the style guide? The style guide are coming to you even in the month of February for all your parcels above 50,000. Okay, so we've made a quantity till they keep going out, till we have it. They'll keep going out for every 50,000 plus order, of course. You know, the first time that you place it. So every client, of course, we want more and more of you to get it. So that's the way. So like this is again customizable in any color. अच्छा, आप बोले कि मुझे वो 10,800 वाला जो दुपट्टा मैं दिखाया था, you want to wear that with that, that's also possible. Okay, now we're going to jump into something, you know, from the plains to some lot of colors and nice prints, which are for me the perfect cord look. Okay, and I'm going to show you some dupattas. Feel free to go without the dupattas, because just look at that, so much fun and just something you would wear every day. Okay, every day. Like, you know, for me, when I have these kind of outfits, it makes dressing so easy in the morning, because you know, you're not thinking. And honestly, I really prefer it when the bottom and the kurta are there all ready. Like, I don't have to say, yeah, मैंने सिर्फ कुर्ता लिया, अभी मैं bottom कहाँ से ढूंढूं? वो सुबह, you know, ढूंढना, you know how it is, right? All of us, such busy lives. I just feel that complete solution. Now, even if you say, yeah, I don't want to go for a print, I want to go for a plain bottom, do that. But take your complete looks, and then, you know, like so many times we just buy a dupatta, abhi fir ab uska kurta. Now that's like lying in our wardrobe. We are thinking for the perfect day, perfect dupatta to arrive. So for me, I think it's just so much sense that, you know, you go for the whole look when you're getting it. We'll give you a bottom, we'll give you a heavy dupatta if you want, we'll give you a light dupatta if you want. Like the kota dupatta that I just showed you, you can definitely do that in this. But I also have this wonderful dupatta that looks so good with it that I would totally go. Okay, now I'm going to show you something very interesting. There is a print, first things first. Okay, these print look wonderful with some embellishment and embroidery. So therefore I'm going to show you two looks with it. Okay, now you can, and अच्छा एक चीज और भी मैंने देखा है, same on same kurta bottom and dupatta एक ही fabric का, looks really cool. Okay, so you can do that. Now you want to add something, you know, wear this as a print, do some थोड़ा सा work करिएगा इस green color में, and then wear this dupatta. So different, so beautiful, like you're going to stand out in such a nice way in the crowd, you know, really different. अच्छा, लाइट दुपट्टा चाहिए तब तो कोटा है ही, वो हम किसी भी कलर में कर सकते हैं. सो विद एनी ऑफ द प्रिंट्स यू कैन हैव दिस 3600 का दुपट्टा कोटा सिल्क, दैट्स पॉसिबल. जो मैंने पहना था उसमें वो जो 10800 वाला दुपट्टा है वो कोई भी कलर में कर सकते हैं. So things like that, you know. And we're back to doing the remaining colors of this, okay, which is again the ombre and the lovely pieces that we have right here. Oh my god, look at the beauty of this, just gorgeousness, the detailed handwork. It's just adding so much to the whole look, and it's so pretty. Okay, I could do any of the colors with it, but the color that I can also do is like a pink. Now this pink is not really exactly matching, but you get the idea. You can do a pink, but that's a color available in this premium Chanderi, which is there. Okay, last couple of colors which are going to be really hot, really beautiful for you to kind of pick up. Now look at that, that's a gorgeousness, you know. I think when we showed you the dupatta for the first time, many of you said, you know, I cannot imagine, can I get this again? I cannot imagine how a suit will look. Now you can see the looks. We are showing you so that you can go for the complete looks. Achha, as I said, it's going to be what, 23 something, right? For 8 meters, if you go for a nice volume look and you go for this dupatta, right? So I'll give you the maths. 980 into 8 meters. I want you to wear volume, which is 7,840. Then 17,800 ka ye dupatta, and it's going to be 25,640. But you have the most beautiful look that's possible. That's a light 12,800 ka dupatta. It's also looking really good with it. So that's also something that you can go. The fabric and the dupatta that I was just showing you, the green and the blue dupatta, 17,800. The fabric 980 per meter. अच्छा, एक चीज जो मुझे दिखानी है, and it's so gorgeous and it's so amazing, is one of the ombres that we still have remaining in the 5,800 range. Okay, and आपने ये देखा, now you see the combination. Look at that. Of course, you can do a lavender look, but this is looking so amazing. So yes, so many looks for you that we have planned today. We're going to go finish the prints. Achha, let's do this. Let's do some and this one. Okay, now this one is the very last one. This is also a limited collection, meaning that we do not make them on order. Honestly, you know, ombre is something I never take it on order. जो है वो आपके सामने है, आप इनको लें and you know enjoy them. Now I think a lot of colors can match with it, but I'm going to go for this peach color. This is more orange, but you get the idea. But separately, such an amazing hot color to have. So yeah, you can go for this. Okay, let's go to that, and then let's go to premium cotton. So I'm showing you so much, right? Like I've shown you a very lovely hand woven fabric suit set, 3-piece. Then we have gone to the 980s, right? 980 per meter. Jitna meter se kharidna aap kharide, jitne colors chahiye aap le. And then we've switched on to a look that's always so perfect. This is premium cotton. So ekdam 3 alag fabrics hain. And that's very important for you to see. This is Chanderi cotton. This is premium cotton, okay, which is cotton and silk. That's Ektara cotton, which is pure 100% cotton by cotton. And 2-3 very different fabrics, all in one live, all 3 very different price points, but all so beautiful in a very different way, okay? So there's a space for all 3 in your wardrobe, I tell you, because they're totally different in their looks. And this, if you're going to be wearing, you wear this. This is our premium cotton with karwa, with a touch of Meena. It's most beautiful, okay? This is one of our classiest fabrics to have and own and wear, and all you will need is a plain bottom. That's all that you will need, okay? Now I'm going to show you. Ye वापस मैंने एक pink लाया. I had a pink because I have 2 motifs in this one, and I'm going to show you this, okay? Now just check this out. Lovely fabrics, okay? This is this, so you can either go for that pink or you can go for this one. Now this is a lovely indigo, okay? So there you go. This is an indigo, and you can see the softness of the fabric. The very last one, ये सब सोना रूपा है. इसमें we've just put a touch of Meena, and you can see the Meena here. Okay, can I get this? Because I want to show you a very different look as well. Like you can do this as a kurta. This you can do as a bottom. It adds more dimension to it. So you can also do that. You know, you can use some of our prints to do your bottoms, and plain kurta le le uske saath. And I'll come to some prints again. Or you are going for something, okay? I have a totally different category still remaining, which is actually Georgette sets, and I'm going to come to that in just a bit. And you'll see how the theme completely changes from all of these lovely different kinds of cottons to that. the way we make them, the way we kind of design each one of these with the thoughts. For me, when I'm designing this, it's just about a straight kurta or a maximum A line, because we do a lot of rosé silhouette in it. What is the rosé silhouette? You have to have the style guide to know that. So if you have the rosé silhouette, it's a great same on same combination. The plain chandeli is about volume, and जो suits हैं वो तो borders के साथ, and you wear them and they're like a totally different thing. Use the borders, make a very formal, very beautiful look with that. Okay, now prints are also great for embroideries, and I have in the past, in fact, actually, you know how I remembered, somebody sent me a picture this morning and I saw that it was a print and then there was a Buta Munga bottom, and it's an old look from mine, and I just kind of saw it yesterday and I said, yeah, that looks really good. You can therefore do a little dressier looks with these, where you go for, instead of a plain bottom, you go for a Buta bottom with chinya or munga, whatever you like. Oh, look at that. This is so hot. Like, even do a plain munga kurta, this dupatta, and this has pants. Kya lagega? You know, I mean, it's going to be so amazing. Some looks, of course, we are not in ready to wear, but we have so many wonderful ideas for you to kind of execute in such a simple way. Now, look at that. Really pretty, okay? This bold, beautiful color. Or mere paas do looks hai. So, at the end of it, you say, you know, I don't want a munga dupatta, go for a kota silk. You can still do the plain kurta look, or you can do the same on same. Like, for example, that's good with a plain bottom. This, but aisa kuch nahi, waise to, you know, bright and beautiful it looks, but theek hai, sure. You know, this you should do a same on same. So subtle, so nice. And we're going to be doing 5 sets from those, okay? We're going to be doing 5 sets. And here it is. Now this one, I think it's pretty. It's going to be pretty with red as well, but you can do a pretty pink if you are looking for slightly. Now we're going to change the mood completely and get into something very different, and that's going to be georgettes and some amazing colors. All that we will need to do is find you a plain silk bottom, which we will dye. कहीं से नहीं ढूंढना हमें सिर्फ डाई करना है आपके लिए, and you will have the most gorgeous set for you. Look at that. That's a bandhni dupatta, the bandhni fabric. It's like really pretty. So yes, we have completely changed the mood of the live as well. Ek live, that's what I always say, this dupatta separately also available. Ek live bhi agar aap catch kar paate hain, you will find more options than you can think of, you know. Now this one I love, okay. Look at that. First things first, that's the georgette. And then you will see this beautiful work. How amazing that looks. This is chikankari and bandhni on georgette, and this white kurta with some style over it. Amazing, right? Amazing complete looks for you. Bottoms will be added, and that will be that. And plain silk bottoms are definitely preferred. If you want plain georgette bottom, we have that too. So yeah, you can take your choice. Amazing complete looks for you to choose from. And look at the vibrancy of the colors. They're just kind of brilliant in every which ways. And we're showing you some stunners here, so that ऐसा आपको ना लगे कि आज सिर्फ cotton दिखाया है. That's why we are showing you silks and heavy wonderful looks that you can dress up with. There you go. I think this is so fabulous. I have gradually over time kind of incorporated, made this color more and more, you know, right? I mean, everybody, I think it's the most natural thing that you have a tendency towards few colors more and few colors less. This blue was something like that for me personally, but I think I've kind of overcome that to be able to create some wonderful looks for you, because I think that yes, it's a stunner color, worn in the right amount and the right way. Classy, so classy, this combination. Like, how can you go wrong with it? It's absolutely, you know, perfect for any elegant event that you're looking at. I think it's amazing on that one. Now, soft and nice for the day. We're going to go for, yeah, we're going to go into that. We're going to go, and let's finish that. Then let's do this, and let's do last of this one set. Okay. So, yeah. So, there you go. This is one bandhni dupatta, and you have a light bandhni dupatta, light look, plain silk, and such a day, perfect day look for you with bandhni, with georgette, all of this. Oh my god, and this one is stunning. Just look at that. Oh my god, I cannot have enough of these combinations which are just perfect in every which ways. Look at that, Karwa Buta, and this is a special Meena fabric in Georgette. What can one say? We are getting ready for just this season. All it will need is a plain silk bottom. Take a screenshot, guys. Do not miss a piece like this. It is that perfect, okay? And then this one, here you go. Just incredible, incredible. It's so hot, it's so nice. There you go, it's so pretty. This whole look for you. Of course, इसमें आप दुपट्टे ले सकते हैं अलग, and fabric भी. It's not something that you have to. It's an ensemble. You can break it up. But जब मैं वो देखती हूँ, I find no reason that you should break it up because it looks so brilliant together. Now this dupatta for you, and then I'm gonna go for this one with it, like a complete contrast. Of course, I could do a different contrast also like this. And then what I will do is with this, I will go on for a different, yes. So I can do all of that because, you know, that's what we do at Need. You know, the most wonderful, exhaustive collection that you will see so that it's just so easy for you to pick up the exact piece that you've been looking for. So you've seen it with the yellow. Now you can see it with this hot green and, you know, and that's it. So the last 5-6 things coming to you, we're going back on a roll where we're going back into more into this fabric. 980 per meter. If you've been thinking यार मुझे कुछ लेना है तो आप ये लीजिए. It's really nice. Okay. Now 980 per meter. Now in this I'm going to show you the 5000 dupatta. That, okay, very important to know, this dupatta, the look is supposed to be like this, really soft and easy. And just look at it. So ये मैं एक combination दिखा रही हूँ आपको और फिर मैं क्या दिखा रही हूँ, इन दुपट्टों में आपको colors जिससे आप फैब्रिक डाई करा सकते हैं. That's it. We're going to be doing, so you can do like this. Okay. Now look at that. That's a lavender. I'll do a black fabric with it. So just to show you, you can do a black and lavender. Of course, you can do just a black fabric. This is a wonderful black fabric. इसके साथ आप ऐसा दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं. Or else you can go for this. And I have all of these colors with me now. Look at that. So you say, yeah, you know, I don't want a plain, I want something more. Then I have something more for you. Like you could go for this fabric and then you could go for these dupattas, these kind of dupattas, I mean, you know, so we can do that. Now this is a wonderful premium cotton and मेरे पास दो colors हैं इसमें, and in fact I feel that the same dupatta will work really well because I'm going to go for a very different kind of dupatta with it. And you know what's that going to be? That's going to be this Georgette dupatta. And so we're going on a completely different thing. Now this dupatta 14,800, and look at, oops, let me bring it back. Look at this as a combination. I think it looks dressy. Premium cotton is super dressy, right? So it's a great outfit to be wearing in the day when you want to be formal, when you want to look really different from anything that you've seen. Then this is the fabric that you're going to go for. Like lovely, okay? Coming back to the beautiful colors in this dupatta, it's like all ice cream colors, all lovely light dupattas. These dupattas are 5,000. The fabric I'm wearing, you can get it dyed in the same colors to create this. Look at that. I would wear a pink, I would wear a lavender, I would wear even this neutral color. It's a green, you know, look at that. So that kind of look, and you can customize. Either you say कि यार मुझे ये दुपट्टा आप इस कलर में दे दो या फैब्रिक इस कलर में दे दो. So all of that is possible. And the very last look that I'm going to be doing from today is one very pretty one, and that's a linen look. Okay, this is our linen dupatta, karwa border, super classy. Okay, that's the whole look that you can go for with it. Look at that. This is the linen dupatta. Just go for a plain bottom with it. You say यार मुझे plain suit चाहिए तो हम अपने जैसा आपको plain suit बना देंगे, fabric देंगे, not बना देंगे, because we do not stitch. Okay guys, that's something you have to remember. But apart from that, just incredible pieces for you to have from today's life. Okay, so yes, that was that. We've shown you so many different wonderful things, and of course ये जो दुपट्टा है ये available है. ये आप again, okay, let me say this to you. that this dupatta, if you have liked and you have liked some other color of this fabric that I've shown you, the pinks, the greens, whatever be the color, वो कोई भी color में हम ये बना सकते हैं. You can also tell us that, you know, I want this entire look done in fuchsia blue, fuchsia pink, or an aqua blue, or a sea green, which you've not shown, or a teal, whatever color you have in mind, and we will custom make it for you with that. Okay, great start. I'm really happy to be having done this, and have a great week ahead. I think it's the last week of January. Oh my God, where's the month gone by? But in any case, you know, have a brilliant week ahead. And for everybody in Bangalore, remember that you have to be there, right? 7th and the 8th, we're there all day long, 2 days, 11 to 8, and really excited to be in your city. So guys, show us some love. See you all. Bye.